75 g Lotus Biscoff cookies. Crush them up finely and set aside. 135 g brown sugar, 65 g granulated sugar, 80 ml vegetable oil, 95 g yogurt, 75 g Biscoff spread, 3 large eggs. Whisk until smooth. 240 g all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, a pinch of salt. Sift well. Add crushed Biscoff cookie crumbs. Mix until just combined. Pour the cake batter into the lined cake pan and bake for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Cool the cake in the pan for 15 minutes and remove from pan and peel off the parchment paper. Whipping powder 1.5 sachets. Cold milk 115 ml. Beat until it reaches stiff peaks. Add 55 g Biscoff spread. Whisk until smooth. Spread the cream over the cooled cake in an even layer. Pour 75 g melted Biscoff spread over the cream and gently spread it evenly. Spread Biscoff cookie crumbs around the edges of the cake and cookies in the center. Enjoy!